Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out this Luverne rear grip step on our Ford Transit. Now, this rear grip step is made of aluminum and attached using steel brackets for a super strong and secure step that keeps you safe when you're coming in and out of your vehicle. It's got the extruded aluminum that's being punched up through the aluminum step, giving a super strong and secure grip area. It's a 54 inches wide by 7 inches deep step, so there's plenty of space to stand and step on this. Another nice thing about the protrusions there and the holes, on days when you're working in muddy or snowy conditions, you're able to kind of knock off the snow and dirt off of your work boots before you step into the vehicle, and it just falls through the grate, which is really convenient. Luverne provides all the hardware needed to install as long as you're buying the bracket and step combination. Everything you need comes in that box together and is an overall quick and easy installation using the holes already in the van's frame. For more products like this Luverne step to keep you work ready in the field, check out upfitsupply.com.